Today I want to share with you what I believe is the absolute determining factor of becoming a millionaire. Because from today onwards, I want you to make a commitment that today onwards, doesn't matter what's happened in your past, doesn't matter the experiences that you've had, they are all assets, which we'll cover in another module later on. Doesn't matter all the times that you've failed, doesn't matter all the times that you've been heartbroken, you've gone through trauma, you've had people turn their backs on you, that you felt lonely. Today onwards, you make a commitment to a new you. Okay, and if that means that today is the day that you make a decision to become committed. Okay, I see that the determining factor of people that become mega successful, people that you see speak on stage, they're writing books, they're traveling around the world, they're making millions of dollars, and you think to yourself, how on earth do they do it? It's because they make a commitment. And today you want to make a commitment. Why? Because when you truly make a commitment, and I'm not saying, oh yeah, I want to become a millionaire or I want to achieve this. I'm talking about you literally write out, I am committed to achieving XYZ goal. Whether it's to becoming a millionaire, to becoming financially free, whatever that means. I want you to list out 25 reasons why you are committed. Okay, just saying, hey, I want extra money, or I want to pay my bills, or I want to become debt free. These things will not drive you as much as when you write down the 25 reasons why. And here's what you want to remember. The bigger the why, the easier the how. You are going to face obstacles. You are going to face challenges. You are going to face naysays. You're going to face times where you're sitting at home in your bed late at night thinking, what have you done with your life? What have you achieved so far? Maybe the decisions that you've made is not right, is not good, it's bad. Whatever, all of these doubts and insecurities and fears will pop up. You're human. I know this because I went through the same thing myself. So I'm telling you, what will get you over every single obstacle is having a strong why. And why am I asking you, write down 25 reasons why you are committed? Because here's what happens, our brains, it's like plasticine, right? And I'm sure that's what they call it in all different, in America, that's what they call plasticine is plasticine. The mold that you play with as a kid. I see my niece and nephew, they like playing with this mold. Your brain is exactly like that. It's like a mold. And when you start writing down reason 1, reason 2, reason 3, reason 25, you're probably gonna get stuck at reason 10, okay? But when you start going and writing down all these different things, then what will happen is your brain is going to create new neural pathways. And these new neural pathways will essentially what they call the RAS, the reticular activating system. It will activate certain senses. It's kind of like this. If you really want a car, no matter where you go, you're gonna see this car, okay? And so whatever you put into your mind and you condition with, your mind starts going out into the world and you start attracting the right opportunities, the right people, and it all can come back, and it stems from you making a commitment and you writing down your reasons why. And what you want to do is you want to condition your mind. So no matter where you're going, you're seeing your commitments. I promise you, if you do this one exercise alone and you take out the time to coming up with 25 reasons why, and when you're doing this, dig deep. Don't just say you want an extra car or you want a fancy watch or you want to pay your bills. Come up with things that will make you scared and excited at the same time. Get committed. If you have any other questions for Shaqir Hussyin, let me know. Okay, we're doing these Ask Shaqir Hussyin episodes on a day-to-day basis right now. I aim to publish one of these per day. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe. Click on the like button, the notification, smash the bell button. That's what I'm supposed to say, right?